Tonight is a gathering of all beauty icons. All over the Philippines battling for one crown and one title. And it's a pageant begins. There have a simple question that goes, who's the fairest of them all? And behind the question that we will find out and witness the metamorphosis of struggling caterpillar transformed in a beautiful glowy butterfly. Hi! Hello, mabuhay! Standing in front of you is a 20 years old stunner taking a BS Nursing in Our Lady of Fatima University, and I am Tanya Mariano. But tonight, this allowed me to stand by the name, ang babaeng tagapangalaga ng brilyante ng lupa. Yes, na sinubaybayan nyo sa Encantadia bilang Sangre Danaya, ang nag-iisang Sania Lopez.